Etimula lamun ko Eyapesi local president loitije echamsana nesejaiteso aiman mane polito samaitere isirigini lo apugan ko soroti district tapote Eswamak lo ngaren kita yaiton atanune ngichingini Fatuma namukwaya ipejo ikisi I projects luipu erokeloto Tuburu Town Council Samuel Sebikari ayaiton ikisila ko Eyapesi kangon local president ngesiabu itade amamusa yalama kedeswa maelo eroto lo mamitelelei.
It says 0.5 and we say they are both. That's the problem. I want us to agree that that is wrong. And as a district, we cannot stand here and as a government in front of the Honorable Minister and say that a person can technically divert from that. We only have one direction and one mileage. It is either 0.9 or 0.5, not both. On the documents that have been seen right now, is that the agreement that bound the district and the contractor says 0.9. That is what we have for now. In the very simplest terms, officers take these people to the van. You will explain at police.
Bobo win ngese kansala lo Tuburu ido itachauniti esusutulu akira Kanu.
Iso ame procurement advert anuamo une contractor so ame kola simon. Advert abalebe mita sa kwataka nyangon imilo na kwatangon kedito mnaka nyangon. E contract li signing ataida era imilo na kwataka nyangon imilo na kwatangon kedito mnaka nyangon anu mita sa kwataka nyangon. Konyenu wa umokin epone launching erotongoni mama pole lo wuraingo alimo ni tungabe bi mita sa kwataka nyi anu imilo nto mnaka nyangon. So ipuika punumunoi apot satemasi apot abudo ngatemebe eraina akoko paran ongola berejo alemarimitasi akwata amon date mari bapone juli benarai be koto e konakini biai emame kisile chama iti engineer emame kisile chama iti diotunganan jolo aina peta no budget ile me council which means kapunu lo kota akoko yo project alo era miliona kwa takida kaisa kanyaona lukanyape
RDC soroti Salim Komakech ngesi tacha unit emusago lo chimunere Eswamakalu
Oriokot Alex and Mr. Okelo Moses Okelo Simon, who is the assistant engineering officer of Soroti district local government. It is about this road project, local seal that you can see that is about abuse of office. That is the minister's team is saying. One project is having different facets of document. One phase of the document is saying 0.5 kilometers of road is being worked on. Another one is saying 0.9 kilometers of road is being worked on. So that is the area that is going to be investigated, including investigating the procurement process that has led the team to arrive at these discrepancies. And I think it is just the beginning of a revelation of what we are yet to know.
Abu LC5 soroti Simon Peter Doreku Ishalamik epelulo etimukalo adolun soroti.
Iswamas lolo ererero ni projects kere office la economic monitoring kera se districta. Iganga kini anyun arorwai New Jersey. But not to be specific erotolo Tuburu. Erotongon elomute balbalo kwamute amamse morkiana Eswamak. Nadunyowe a design le road e gelara ke de plan la jaisek ara plan la jaisek arabu kine kolas ka jala mudana ni ro ay na jorto ko na jaar ko nyebo la itaron e design le to somat li compte consultant mami côté roto ami compte design roto aje ikon le premix aje premix gunga de Paris single surface now na bete team le diswaso amestiam e boykin anybonwe ni kotoni arai single surface ne kote consultant arai pre mix so which you need just to ngalo but yeah because na jara teka ngito ni ketara kai o waike ide ketara waike
eta chaunisi da ibora yauni egurilo
e cholong le chairman amere cholong le patana imame jotoma iwomiti jobalati patana. So it only poor just get a jane bale patana. Going is a very difficult office to run. Where everybody has interest that you must fulfill. Every sub-county has interest. When you do squeezing one your allegations go to squeezing comes as a chairman. That's baseless. To some chairman motokala pugan. Mami councillor boy kina. Mami councillor those are baseless things. Lumami comes young. Those are administrative issues. But the main thing is there's some political interest. There are small boys and girls who feel they also want to come into leadership. But they feel by Amuna Rekira Eniche, Esilomanaj. But for me, I'm a politician. Like what Amuna Rekira to an Adum. No, young you know, they key a Kora Rexuna Janaki. Amuna Rekira to an Adum Natural Mam.
Dilax Emi Alamu, Godfrey Ojore, Kanuka TV East.